Hey guys, this is Sanjaleeta. Welcome to my channel. Hey, we are gonna do something different today. As you see, I already have my makeup on and my hair done, and I've got a side braid. Thanks to Organically Anna. She is on Instagram, and she's doing like a winter challenge right now where we are all doing protected hairstyles to protect our hair and, you know, help it go through its journey. So mine is just a side braid today. No wigs, no extensions, no nothing, just letting it rest. So anyway, so my review today is on my Boxycharm monthly subscription that I wanted to share with you guys. So keep watching. So everything that came in this box is listed on here and the price. And this is like a monthly subscription that we pay for, and it's like, I believe it's $25 a month, and they send you like a bunch of makeup that's probably worth, you know, way more than $25. So, and there's stuff that I'll keep and use and try out, and a lot of it I just give it away and when I do have my giveaways. So the one that I received is variation 6. So I guess they come in different variations. I watched somebody's review and theirs was 22, so I don't know if they go any higher, but yeah, hers was 22. So first, let's see, the Dominique Cosmetics Thunder Eyeshadow Palette, and that is worth $35. And let me show you. That's like a bunch of stuff that comes in here. I'll show you guys real quick. And this time the box came in red. It's pretty. Okay. Ooh. And this is the eyeshadow palette, and I am so gonna keep this. Ooh, beautiful colors. Look at the colors that it came in. I'm gonna probably do a look tomorrow, and we could do that on camera with this eyeshadow palette. So that's one thing that I love out of this. Okay, and yeah, I said that was worth $35. And then I received, it's called Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum, and this is worth $90 right here. I'm going to try it today, not now, but later on. Ooh, this is a pretty big bottle. Here, let's see what it smells like. It smells good. Probably gonna keep this. $90? Come on now. Glow serum. Yeah, it's definitely glowing. I already have my makeup on, otherwise I'd put it on my face, but yeah, so we're not gonna mess that up because I have an appointment that I need to be at in 25 minutes, so let's get this done. Okay, so next, it's called Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. So that must be this one right here. And the color is nude. Come on, Boxycharm. This is like the 4th nude lipstick I got. I mean, I like wearing nude lipsticks, and I have a ton of them now. But, you know, I'd like some color. Maybe some red, burgundies, browns. But yeah, okay, so that's what the lipstick looks like. I don't know if anyone wants to trade with me if they got a red and they don't like it. So hey, let's trade. We're not gonna try this because I already have makeup on, so no lipstick on. Well, it's not much of a nude. Let's see. Oh, okay. Has color in it. It's not really nude. Nude. That sounds so funny. Okay, so let's put that guy aside. And oh, and that was worth $18. Next is the Lily Lashes Fox Mink, which I'm probably not going to use because I don't do well with the glue. So this is going to go in a giveaway box. And these are like pretty much glam lashes. So yeah, someone's going to be getting this. And yeah, that was worth $25. And next is Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. So you could use it for your powder, foundation, or concealer. And that is worth $35. Ooh, it comes in this little package here. I need new brushes too. Oh, it's super soft. Right here. I ordered some too, by the way. But yeah, I don't know. I guess it's a pretty firm brush. I guess you could actually put your foundation on with this, and maybe this for your concealer. I don't know, but yeah, these are pretty good brushes. Definitely worth it. So let's put this guy aside. And yeah, I said that was worth $35, and they sent me these samples of lightweight concealer that I could try out. And this is by Pretty Vulgar. Okay, never tried it before, but I would probably use the light to medium, which is the second one. Maybe, I don't know, or I might give that away too. I have so many things to use. But yeah, this was the box it came in. Like, pretty cool. Yeah, let's do a look tomorrow. Let's do a makeup look tomorrow with this eyeshadow palette. I love it. Maybe I'll use that nude lipstick. I mean, it's not so, it said it was nude, but that's not so nude. So maybe it's kind of what I have on now. Close to it. And that lip plumper that I did a video on, you guys, it works. See? So yeah. So when I do reviews, I like to be 100% honest, and yeah, that lip plumper is really good. And if you haven't watched that video, go find that video. I'll try to link it on if I remember. But yeah, it's probably like a few videos down from this one, so you can just check it out. And it's much cheaper than getting the fillers done and less painful. So I'm not into all that, but because those kind of things can get pretty addicted too. So I mean, we have goals, and yeah, so we want to do other things with our money right now instead of doing all that stuff. I think that's just too addicting anyways. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. This was fun. I believe in December is when I get the deluxe Boxycharm, and we'll do another review on that. And I love everything that came in here. You know, I was kind of a little bit upset about the lipstick, but I don't think I am. I think I like that color, so it's not as nude as I thought it was. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. I gotta head off to my appointment, and have a very blessed day. Alright, bye-bye.